Hello everybody, enjoying this beautiful hot summer morning. This is Ruben Cancino. I'm with Tools for Guys. I'm the father of the other three guys, and today in a very quick short video I'm going to show how I repaired my two patio chairs. One of them is still messed up and the other one is the one I repaired yesterday. Today's video I'll show just a couple of minutes on how to repair patio chair. I did both of these together by buying 3 sticks of this wood, 1x3 furring wood, which is $3 a stick. That's $9, and some self-drilling metal screws. They don't have to be self-drilling, but that's what I got. And so for under 15 bucks I was able to repair my patio chairs, at least for another maybe 5 years before they fall apart again. Alright, so stay tuned. So here's the chair that I'm going to repair. As you can see, it's fabric. It's been out in the sun since we bought them, except for hurricane season when we take them indoors. And of course it just tore the seat right through last weekend. And here is my other chair, which I repaired yesterday. So today we will go through just how quickly it is and easily and cheap to repair this chair. Okay, and here we are. I've already pre-cut 5 of these small planks. They're 1x3. I cut them from a 1x3 8-foot long board. I bought 2 of them. You only need about 1.5, but you gotta have 2. Again, they're only $3 each a board, so total board's cost was $6. I'm using metal screws. You can see up close. These are the nut driver kind. You can use the Phillips head, flat head. I prefer these just because they're easier to drive with the nut driver. I had to buy a whole box of them, so that was $5. So total material cost is 5 plus 9. Oops, 5 plus 6. So that's $11 so far, right? And up close, here's my Craftsman impact driver with the nut driver. Very handy. Ryobi drill. A little drill bit for pre-drilling into the metal. And these handy dandy quick grips, awesome. Hold the board in place. You just kind of put in there, squeeze it, hold it tight while you pre-drill so the board doesn't move at all from where you have located it. So that and my safety glasses, and I'll be ready to go.